Chef Bella. Welcome to Salt and Bella, and today we're making Suya Fried Rice. Let's get to it. I'm going to start by prepping my ingredients, chopping my onions, ginger and garlic. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to heat up some oil, add some butter so I can saute my garlic, ginger and onions because the garlic comes first. Now that my oil is heated, I'm going to add my garlic and let it saute for a few seconds. So now I'm adding my ginger and I'm going to let it also saute. So now I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add my onions again till it's translucent. I'm going in with the butter, habanero pepper, grain seasoning. Give that a stir. Then I'm also adding dry spices, some oregano, some paprika, some nutmeg and some curry. Then more of that suya spice. You know we're making suya rice, so we need lots of that. Give that a stir. Now it's time to add our washed rice. Give it a mix. Going in with the chicken broth. Topping off with some water. Add some seasoning cubes. Why do they make the seasoning cubes so strong these days? Anyways, I'm just finishing off with some more suya spice. And I'm just going to give that a mix and cover it up to cook. Now while it's cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and prep our veggies. So now I'm going to start by frying our veggies. I'm going in with some sesame oil, going in with my onions, ginger and garlic. Give that a stir. Now I'm going to go in with my carrots, my seasoning cube, some paprika, bell peppers, the green and the red, also my sweet corn. Give everything a stir. We're making suya fried rice, guys, so you know I have to go in with some suya spice again. Give that a stir. Then I'm going to add our suya, the star of the show, and I'm going to give that a mix. Some more sesame oil, just drizzle a little bit. Give that a stir again, and the veggies and suya for our suya fried rice are ready. Now our rice is ready. I'm just going to toss our veggie and suya mix into it. All that goodness. So I'm going to give that a mix. Our rice is ready. I'm just going to add some suya spice and sesame oil for deeper flavor. Give that a mix. And then we want to finish off by adding our spring onions, our scallions to this. Mix everything, and now our rice is ready. Our suya fried rice is ready.
Love this one. Like, share, subscribe, please order for this shit, man. I love this.